x plus 1 is same as x plus 1, and we multiply and divide by x minus 1. And this will be a plus b. A minus b is a square minus b square. So x square minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So the first factor, x plus 1, can be written like this. Taken first two together. Look, if you multiply this by x square plus 1, obviously you will get, see, just look at the numerator, x to power 4 minus 1 by x minus 1. Again, this gets multiplied with x4 plus 1. So that would be x8 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Again, multiply with this x8 plus 1. So that would become x16 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. And multiply this with x16 plus 1. You get x to power 32 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. That means your function would look like y is equal to x to power 32 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. You would like to cross multiply and write this function y times x minus 1. This implies y times x minus 1 equal to x to power 32 minus 1. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. First derivative of second derivative of x minus 1 is 1 plus second, that is x minus 1, derivative of first is y and its derivative is y dash, is equal to derivative of x to power 32 should be 32x to power 31. This is for first derivative. Let's say this is equation 1. And also from this, if you differentiate it one more time, y dash, again, derivative of this should be first x minus 1 y double dash, first derivative of second plus second derivative of first is x minus 1 and its derivative would be 1, is equal to 32 times 31 times x to power 30. Say this to be equation 2. And when x is -1, you put x equal to -1 here, you get y is 0. X -1 means y is equal to 0. All right, so from this equation, what do you get? If you put y equal to 0 and x equal to -1 there, so you get 0 minus 2y dash is equal to -32, because x minus 1 to power 31 is -1. Yes, so that gives you y dash is equal to 16. Means the first derivative y dash is 16. This we need because we want to find this value, no? Also, if you put y dash is equal to 16 here in the second equation, so what do you get? You get 16 minus 2y double dash plus 16 is equal to x, this is 32 into 31, x to power 30 minus 1 to power 30 would be 1, so 32 into 31. Well, let's write this equation. 32 minus 2 times y double dash should be equal to 32 into 31. So 32 into 31, that means 2y dash taken to the right and this 32 into 31 taken to the left. 132 is already there, so that should be 2y double dash is same as 32 times -32 times 30. And then we want to find y double dash, in fact. So divide by 2 both side. So this will become, divide by 2 means minus 16 times 30. Minus 16 times 30 should be -480. Now you get the answer because y double dash is -480. Y dash is 16. So the value of this should be -480 and minus 16. So that should be 694 and negative minus 496. So option C is correct.